How to remove mobile number from Facebook. So open the Facebook app, then click here the three lines and scroll down and you show options like setting and privacy. So click here and click here the setting options and scroll down and you show options like personal details. So click here and scroll down and you show options like your mobile number. So click on it and back again and you show options like edit number options. So click here and you show options like manage contact information. So click on it and click on the mobile number and you show options like delete number and click here delete number and your mobile number is successfully deleted.